What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share this refreshing juice recipe, mango pineapple juice. So here I have all the ingredients. I'm using 2 Haden mangoes. Now these are similar to that Jamaican John Bellyful mango. I'm also using 1 Haitian mango. You will need some agave nectar, 1 ripe pineapple, a piece of ginger, lemon juice, and water. So I will be using a blender to make this juice. So after you have peeled the pineapple and the mangoes, you want to cut them up into some smaller pieces. So summertime is right around the corner, and honestly it's my favorite time of the year. That's when most of my favorite fruits are in season, such as mangoes. And around that time, instead of buying those artificial juices, it's best if you make your own. At least you know exactly what you're putting into them, and honestly, homemade juices taste way better than store-bought. So I'm using this much ginger, but you can always use more or less. So I'm going to add half of this to the blender with 2 cups of water, and then once I'm done, I'm going to add the other half with another 2 cups of water. So once done, you want to add the lemon juice followed by the agave nectar, and make sure to sweeten this to your liking. So now I'm going to strain the juice one more time. So there you have it. Mango pineapple juice is ready to be served. This juice was amazing. So refreshing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all try and enjoy this recipe. And until next time, God bless.